Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adiola and you can call me Dels. Alright? And you can call me Dels. Okay? Today is Sunday 26th of February 2023. And today's video is about is a continuation of my MFF funded account of a $5,000. But unfortunately, last week I couldn't upload any video last week about the progress of the account because I was very busy last week, so I didn't get a chance to do the record. I do my analysis as usual. Okay, I do my analysis as usual, but unfortunately I couldn't record them and put them out for you guys. But this week I'm going to be doing an extensive analysis of my trading on the account so far, because since I started trading the account, I'm still in a drawdown, but my equity is in a profit. Okay, it's been 3 weeks since I've been trading the account right now, so I went into about 1.9% drawdown. Okay, but fortunately for me, the trades that I took this week is taking me back to break even and even much more profit, because right now my equity is floating at I think 2%. Okay, so but I need to get to 8% in order for me to pass this phase. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to be showing you guys the stage I am right now in funded account, and also the trades that I'm looking forward to trade this week to take me to the 8% profit target. And looking at the scheme of things, I'm not sure if I'll be able to hit the target before the end of this month, but that is not a problem. Okay, that's not a problem. I'll send them an email and be asking for an extension, because MFF offers extension once you the time limit has reached and you haven't hit your target yet. They can give you an extension. Okay, if you're not in a down, okay, if you are in a profit on the account, you can ask and request for an extension and they will give it to you. So in a scheme of things, I think 2 weeks ago, okay, yeah, 2 weeks I get, because my time the 16th of on the 6th of March, sorry guys, on the 6th of March, that's when my time limit to reach, and unfortunately I haven't met the target yet. So hopefully this week I'll make much more profit and be eligible to ask for an extension, and that's I'm very sure of. Okay, so but for the time being, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my analysis so far and all the trades that I've been taking so far on the account, and also the trades that I'm looking forward to take rather this week and for next week. Alright, so with no further ado, I don't want to make this video too long. With no further ado, let's just head to the chart and see what's going on in the market. Let's just head to the chart and see what's going on in the market. So see you guys on the chart. Thank you. Alright guys, this is my account. As you can see, my balance is 4,878.43. Now my equity is ranging at $5,134.06. As you can see the trade I'm in right now, this is the weekend. This is the weekend, so the market is not open yet. So pound USD and euro USD. Okay, pound USD is at $153, and euro USD is at $100. Okay, so but first of all, I would like to take you guys through the trades that I took that put me in a drawdown. That put me in about almost 2% drawdown. And this is my trade history right here. It's euro USD and also pound card. But the pound card is not showing on my trading history because that was about 2 weeks ago that I took the trade. Alright. So let me just take you guys through the chart to see what's on there. Alright. Now, I'm sorry guys, I'm using the mobile MT4 app. Okay, so I can't do a playback of the account. Okay, I can't do a playback on this platform because it's the mobile MT4 platform that I'm using right now. So you guys bear with me, but I'll try my best to do the analysis so you guys can understand. Okay, first, price was at this level right here. If you can see my cursor, was right here last week. So when I saw this last week Monday, I put my trend line down here, and I was like, since price has been giving us a lower low and a lower high right here, so I assume price will continue to go down. And looking on the fact that the daily price action has also been going down, come back to the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame is giving us lower highs right here. As you can see, we have a high here, came back to retest, give us a lower high, then another lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. The same thing all through, lower high, but right here it creates a support level. Okay, so I saw this support level. I was like, okay, since price has been retesting this support level about 3 times now, and it keeps giving us a lower highs and lower lows, so I projected that okay, price might give us another lower high right here and come down here to break this support level to go down. Okay, so when I saw this 4 hour bearish engulfing candle, okay, when I saw this 4 hour bearish engulfing candle right here, I took a trade. I went to the 1 hour time frame. Sorry guys, I took a trade right here. My stop loss was above here, and I was expecting price to go down below to take profits somewhere around here, 1.61088 around here. Okay, but unfortunately price consolidated throughout the day, and the next day price just went up and take my stop loss out. Okay, and I took positions on this pound card. Was it last week? No, 2 weeks ago. Okay, but it took me out last week. I took positions on this pound card 2 weeks ago. Last week it took me out, so that was the trade that put me. It's one of the trade that put me in a drawdown last week, unfortunately. So back to the 4 hour time frame. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, this didn't work out, and I went down to the euro USD pair. Like I analyzed last week, euro USD pair has been giving us a higher highs and higher lows right here. It has been going up. Price was supposed to, this was supposed to be a fake out right here. Unfortunately, price came back down took me out my stop loss, right, and went back down here. Once price reached here again, sorry guys, when the price reached here, okay, I assume this will probably be the place where price is going to reverse from. Okay, but unfortunately I saw this bullish engulfing candle right here. That was 2 weeks ago. Bullish engulfing candle right here. Price came back to retest this. I took my a buy trade, a buy position right here. I was expecting price to go back up and hit this higher highs right here. But unfortunately, price didn't. It gave us a higher high right here. But came back and take out the lows right here. Went back into the range again. I still kept my trade open on Euro USD 2 weeks ago. Went back in range, came back down, and continued giving us higher highs, lower highs and lower lows rather on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, yeah, you can see it from here. Lower highs and lower lows on the 1 hour time frame. But unfortunately for me, I could have just closed the trade once price gets to my break even point right here. I could, but I didn't. So I just left the trade in, and finally price took me out on Euro USD on Tuesday, I guess. Yeah, on Tuesday, price took me out, and those were the two trades that put me in about 2% drawdown last week. All right, pound card and Euro USD. Now, looking at the situation of things right now, I saw that okay, since price didn't react to this level and continue going up, and I later realized that I completely ignore this fair value gap right here. I hope you guys can see it. I ignore this fair value gap right here, and unfortunately for me, once you see a fair value gap right here, you should know that price will definitely come back to mitigate it. Okay, price will definitely come back to mitigate it. Now, when I saw this fair value gap, I was like, okay, I think price wants to come back to mitigate this fair value gap, and probably retest this support level right here and continue going back up. For now, I don't know if price is going to sorry, I don't know if price is going to retest this level and continue going back up, because on the 4 hour time frame, in my own opinion, this is the daily time frame right here. Sorry guys, this is the daily time frame. There's a support level right here. Price has not broken this higher lows on the daily time frame. Okay, if price eventually break this higher low on the daily time frame, then I'll presume that my bias on Euro USD is going to become bearish. Okay, it's going to become bearish. But hopefully next week, I'm hoping the price will come to retest um these higher lows and continue up. Probably mitigate the fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame and react to this support right here and continue. But if it doesn't, okay, if it breaks this support right here and close below this support, then my bias on Euro USD is going to become bearish, not bullish anymore. All right, but for now we're still hanging. Okay, so what led me to take a sell trade on Euro USD last week? I took a trade from here. I was stopped out. I took another one from here, seeing this bullish engulfing pattern candle. Again, I was also stopped out, and I saw this. So when I saw this price action, this structure, market structure, giving us high right here, low, gave us a lower high right here. Price couldn't break this resistance level. Instead, it touched it, probably take out some stop loss right here, and give us a doji candle right here. After a doji candle, give us a bearish engulfing candle, which completely took out the doji and the bullish candle before the doji. When I saw this, I was like, okay, let me wait more and see what price is going to do. If price is going to break this recent low right here, then I'm going to be taking a sell. Okay, so when I waited, I saw price reacted a little bit to this recent low, went back up, came back and break this support and close below it. Once price closed below it, it went back to retest and give us a nice wick, a nice push to the downside with this candle. I don't know if I can call this a morning star. This candle right here, morning star, this bullish morning star candle right here, I don't know. I'm not too fast with the name of candlestick right here, but this was the signal I got. So the first confirmation I got was this move right here. The first confirmation I got was this structure: high, low, lower highs, and a lower low. Okay, the second confirmation I got was this candle right here. So when I saw this, I decided to take a sell right here at this level, and fortunately for me, price went in my direction and continued going down. So this euro USD trade brought me back to break even and gave me much more profit. As you can see, the market is open and my position is still open. Okay, I'm still open on euro USD, and this is where my take profit is. Price is almost hitting my take profit, and if price hit my take profit, this trade right now should be giving me about 120 something, 40 something dollars, which is quite substantial on this trade. All right, so that is it for that, for euro USD. And looking at pound USD, the same thing. Pound USD is giving us the same market structure. Give us a high right here. It broke this support level, came down. I was expecting price to come down to retest this support level right here before continuing downward. That was 3 weeks ago, I guess. Yeah, 3 weeks ago, but unfortunately it didn't. So I didn't get a chance to take a trade from up here. Okay, well, when I waited, price came down here to give us a support level right here, came right here to give us a resistance. And by the way, this is the 4 hour time frame right here. This 4 hour time frame, the resistance level came down and took out the stop losses right here. I see this as a buy side liquidity. Okay, price came to this level right here, this resistance level right here, came out to um take out the stop losses right here, which is the buy side liquidity. And this was my first confirmation that I got. Okay, since price gave us a high right here, give us a low, and came back here to stop, to give us a nice wick to the upside, went up but couldn't close above this resistance level, came back and closed below it. Technically, after closing below it, it gave us a bearish, I hope you guys can see it, like give us a bearish candlestick right here. And after that, it came up, give broke this low right here to the downside and give us a lower low. So as you can see, high right here, low, give us a high, a higher low, but price couldn't maintain this higher low, came back to this lower high right here and take out the buy side liquidity, came back here to give us um a lower low right here. So when I saw this, this was my second confirmation. Buy side liquidity taken out was my first confirmation. Market structure right here, second confirmation. Lower low. Mark came back here and took out, give us a lower high right here. And by the way, there is a fair value gap right here that I saw. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, you can see it clearly. So that was why I drew this level right. There was a fair value gap. So I presume price was going to mitigate this fair value gap and continue going down, which was exactly what happened. So price mitigate this fair value gap, give us a lower high, and then continue going down. So when I saw this fair value gap mitigated, I took a sell trade. As you can see, I took a sell trade. Price mitigated the fair value gap, came back and gave us a nice bearish engulfing candle. Once price came back to retest this very engulfing candle, I took a sell at the retracement. And when I took a sell, price moved to the downside throughout the week. Alright, so these are the two trades. So hopefully price will be taking out this very significant low right here and hitting my take profit. So these are the two trades that brought me back to break even. These are the two trades that brought me back to break even and give me much more profits. So what trade am I looking forward to trade for this week? Because this is already a Sunday for this week. So let us look at the trade that I'm looking forward to trade. Let's take a good look at pound JPY. I was supposed to take a buy on pound JPY last week, but unfortunately I didn't get enough confirmation that I was looking for. Price broke this resistance. Okay, this resistance has been holding for weeks now. The first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, fifth touch, about so many touches, and the more resistance is being touched, the weaker it becomes. All right, the weaker it becomes. So eventually price broke this resistance, came back to retest it and continue upward. And mind you, there is a huge fair value gap up here. Look at this candlestick, really huge fair value gap. So I presume price is going to mitigate this fair value gap, which it has started doing already, and probably continue to the downside, but I'm not sure. But if price could come back from this point right here, come back to retest this resistance again, because I presume that there are stop losses, hanging down here. Price might want, pound JPY might want to come back to take out the sell side liquidity that is here and continue back up. All right, so if price come back to take out the sell side liquidity, I'm going to take a buy trade on pound JPY to continue back on, and my take profits will be somewhere in the middle of the fair value gap. All right, so that's that for pound USD. I don't really have much trades to take next week because all the charts have not seen anything substantial. Pound card, the same thing. So now this is what I'm expecting on pound card. I presume there is a demand level right here. This level is a very good demand zone. If price come back to retest this demand right here and price begin to give me some bullish price action, I might take a bull trade on this level right here and to take a profit on this recent very significant resistance. As you can see, this resistance is very, very significant. It was once a support which became resistance. So price might want to retest, sorry, this demand zone, come back up to take out this resistance right here. So if price is giving me some bullish price action right here, I might take a buy trade to the upside. That is on pound card. Okay. Next trade that I'm looking forward is Euro USD. Good. Now, something interesting happened on Euro GBP last week. As you can see, price give us a higher highs and higher lows on Euro pound last week, 2 weeks ago, 3 to 4 weeks ago. As you can see, this is low right here, high, higher low, higher high. Price came back to retest this right here and give us a higher low, give us a nice push to the upside. So I was expecting price to come back to retest this level before continuing back up, but price came here, take out all the stop losses right here. Okay, now mind you, I took a trade on Euro pound last week also. I took a sell at this level right here, take profits down here, and that was a very, very nice trade that I took. So now moving to the 1 hour time frame, price consolidated for a bit after this nice move to the downside. Price consolidated. Now price has broken this resistance right here, deciding to head to the upside. Now if price could come back to retest this level, I'll be taking a buy trade right here to the upside on Euro pound. Okay, so I think those are the major trade that I'm looking forward to trade for this week, because I don't really see much going on in the market for now. Okay, so pound JPY, I'm looking forward to take a buy. If price come back to retest this resistance right here, I'll take a buy. Pound card, if price retests this demand zone right here and gives me um a bullish price action, I'll also take a buy. Then Euro pound, the same thing. Price come back to retest this level on the 1 hour time frame, I'll take a buy right here. Stop loss hanging down below here and take profits up at 0.89662. So those are the three trades that I'm looking forward to trade for this week. And Euro pound USD, I'll continue holding it. By the way, I've locked in some profits. My stop loss is right below my entry level, so even though price go back up against me, it's only going to be taking me out in profit, not in loss. Okay, so I'm completely risk free on pound USD and Euro USD. Okay, so that's it for it, guys. So like I said, I don't want to make this video too long, so if I have any updates, okay, I'll let you guys know during the week. So that's it. So hopefully these three trade will bring me to 8% on of my uh um of my capital, and hopefully I'll use this three trade to pass my phase one. And once I pass the first phase, the evaluation phase of this account, I'll let you guys know. Okay, my Forex Fund evaluation phase one. That's it. So thanks for sticking with me to the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys. So thank you. Alright guys, that is the end of my analysis for the week. I hope that was comprehensive enough for you guys. And if I have any other updates to share with you guys, I will let you guys know. during the course of the week, which I'm not sure if I might have the time to do because I'm still stuck in this 9 to 5 job, which I'm planning to leave by the end of the year. But hopefully by next week, I'll give you guys the results of my trade, and probably in 2 weeks time to come, will be sharing with you guys my verification fees, which is the phase 2 of the account, which I presume should be easy for me to pass, though sometimes it can be difficult because I took MFF before last year. I passed the first phase, I failed the second phase, which was really tempting. But I believe this second time that I'm taking MFF, I will pass both phases and eventually become a funded trader. All right, so that's it, guys. So please subscribe to my channel on and click the like button so that more people can see this video and just learn from it. Okay, I know my video is not the best out there, but it's it's quite it's going to be quite encouraging for a lot of people and educative also for a lot of people. Though this is my first um I'm just starting out YouTube, honestly. Okay, so my presentation might not be the best that is there, best out there for now, but I promise to improve both in my analysis, in the way I present my videos and all of that. Okay, I promise to improve and all of that. So that is it. So please subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video to your friends and families and everybody around, so the algorithm on YouTube will get to suggest it to a lot of people. All right, so thank you very much for sticking to the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys. Trust me, I really do. So thank you and see you guys next week. All right, yeah, thank you. Bye bye.